How to fix Snapchat flash. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you guys how to fix this problem on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat, scroll down and go into storage option. Here on storage option, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK, and then you have to back now, click on first stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now guys, you have to go right now to your Play Store. You have to update your Snapchat if it's not updated. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another video.